Can a cough cause a miscarriage?
Short answer, normal coughing by itself does not cause miscarriage. The uterus and baby are well protected, and routine pressure from coughing, sneezing, or laughing is not a known cause of pregnancy loss. What can raise risk is a severe illness behind the cough: high fever, low oxygen, or hospitalization from pneumonia or influenza. If your cough is prolonged, severe, or comes with breathing trouble, fever, or bleeding, contact your healthcare provider.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe.